The flaxseed helps to moisturize and nourish the hair due to its nutrients, vitamins, and healthy fats. It helps promote hair growth and helps with detangling, which reduces breakage. The hibiscus gives the hair protein due to its amino acids. The cloves help with circulation and strengthening of the strands. The rosemary help increase blood circulation and help with hair growth. And the jojoba oil helps to moisturize the hair as it's similar to the natural sebum that our scalp produces. Okay, we're starting to make the flaxseed, but before that, I just wanted to say that be careful when the pot is on the stove as the pot will be hot. So after the flaxseed is being done, please be careful and not touch the pot, and you can burn your hand. In case, you can wear gloves or ask someone to help you. So right now we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the flax seeds. And I'm going to add a little bit more just in case. Now we are adding a cup of water. And another half cup of water. So we're going to let it stay on the flame until a white consistency comes on the top. So it should be in like 10 or so minutes. Okay, so the boiling happened and it almost overflowed, so I let it simmer down. So I'm just going to check the consistency, and this is a perfect consistency as it's slimy kind of like, and sticky. You can control how thick the gel is depending on how much water you put or how long you let it to boil for. But I accidentally forgot to add the rosemary, the cloves, and the hibiscus on time. But I added just like while it's starting to boil or at the beginning, so you don't forget like me. Okay, I have a plate ready and a strainer, so I'm just going to put there. So be careful not to touch the strainer or the pot as it's quite hot. Okay, so here we have the flaxseed gel, and we have some jojoba or jojoba oil. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but I'm just going to take a tablespoon of it, add it, and mix it in. Okay, so I'm going to put the flaxseed gel into this container, which has this topper which helps me to apply it onto my hair better without spilling it anywhere. So I'm just going to transfer it. So this is the final product in a bottle and the excess in a container. So for the flaxseed gel, I'd use it as a pre-poo as it helps you to detangle your hair better because of the slip. It helps your cold blood through, and as I said before, the ingredients in this will help your hair grow and be stronger. And since of the slip, it will help your hair reduce breakage, which will help you to retain any new hair growth you have gotten while you had your protective style. You could also use it as a gel However, I would recommend not putting hibiscus in it, as it could make your hair a little bit pink until you wash it off. So yeah.